Click the chart. Excel activates the Chart Tools tabs on the ribbon, as well as the Chart Elements, Chart Styles, and Chart Filters buttons to the right of the chart. Click the Chart Tools Design tab on the ribbon. In the Location group, click the Move Chart button. The Move Chart dialog box opens. The Object In option button is selected. You will move the chart as a chart object to a different worksheet. Click the Object In arrow. Excel displays a list of worksheets in the active workbook. You will specify where you want to move the chart. Click Category Sales. Excel will move the chart as an object into the Category Sales worksheet. Click OK. Excel moves the chart and displays the Category Sales worksheet.